Good evening, dear students. We will discuss today HCF and LCM. HCF is highest common factor and LCM is lowest common multiple. As this is a revision exercise, so we will not go into details of what is HCF and what is LCM. We are already aware of that. Now we will come to the first question. HCF of 108, 288 and 420. We have to find out the HCF of 108, 288 and 420. Okay, so let's do it. 108, 288. We will go by division method. Now 72, so HCF is 36. Next number is 420, 36 and 420. 36 ones are 36, 6, 0. 36 ones are 36. This is 0. Two is 24. Clear? So our HCF is 12. Clear? So question number 1 complete. Next question. Next question, LCM 48, 66 and 120. So numbers are, question number 2, 48, 66, 120. Now 2, it's 24, 33, 60. Again 12, 33, 30. Again 2, 6, 15. 3 2s are 6, 5. Okay. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 11 into 5. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 and 5s are 48 and 5s 240. Next 240 into 11. So 24 into 11 and 240, so it's 2640. Your LCM will be 2640. This is your answer. So LCM is 2640. Question number 2 complete. Next, question number 3. This is, we have to judge whether these statements are true or false and giving one example of each. Now the first question is, HCF of 2 prime number is 1. We have to find out whether this statement is true or false. HCF of 2 prime number is 1. Now what is prime number? What is prime number? যে কোনো নাম্বার যার ফ্যাক্টর অনলি 1 আর সেই নাম্বারটা, যে কোনো নাম্বারের যদি ফ্যাক্টর অনলি 1 আর সেই নাম্বারটা যদি হয়, দ্যাট নাম্বার উইল বি আ প্রাইম নাম্বার। ফর এক্সাম্পল, সাপোজ 5, তো 5 এর মাল্টিপল কী হতে পারে? 1 আর 5। ক্লিয়ার? নেক্সট 7, 7 এর মাল্টিপল কী হতে পারে? 1 আর 7। নেক্সট সাপোজ 13, 13 এর ফ্যাক্টর কী হতে পারে? 1 আর 13। সো these numbers are prime numbers because the factors are 1 and that number. The factors are 1 and that number. The factors are 1 and that number. So these 3 numbers are prime numbers. Clear? So HCF of 2 prime number is 1. This statement is true. This statement is true. Why? Because suppose 2 prime numbers are 5 and 7. Clear? We have to find out the HCF of 2 prime numbers. So 5 and 7, the factor of 5 will be 1 into 5 and factor of 7 will be 1 into 7. So HCF is highest common factor. So the common numbers between 5 and 7 is 1. So this is the highest common factor between 5 and 7. This is the highest common factor between 5 and 7. So HCF of two prime number is 1. This is an example. So the statement is true. Clear? Okay. Next, HCF of two co-prime is 1. HCF of two co-prime number is 1. This is also true. This is also true. Now, what is co-prime number? We have learned the prime number. Now, we will learn what is co-prime number. Now, what is co-prime number? Two numbers are co-prime numbers. Two numbers are said to be co-prime numbers when the HCF of those numbers, is 1. HCF of those numbers are 1. That is, suppose 5 and 7. 5 and 7. So if we break 5, that is 1 into 5, and 7, 1 into 7. So highest common number is 1. Highest common number is 1 between 5 and 7. So 5 and 7, these two numbers are co-prime numbers. Listen carefully. Two numbers are said to be co-prime numbers if the HCF or highest common factor between them is 1. Then the two numbers are said to be co-prime numbers. If we break 5, that is 1 into 5, 7, 1 into 7. So highest common factor, that is HCF between them is 1. So 5 and 7 are co-prime numbers. Clear? Now HCF of two co-prime number is 1. This is a true statement. Clear? Next, number 3, LCM of two prime number is equal to their product. This is also true. LCM of two prime number is equal to their product. Suppose two prime numbers are 2 and 3. Suppose two prime numbers are 2 and 3. Now, what is the LCM of 2 and 3? Let's do it. 1, 3. The LCM is 1 into 2 into 3. That is 6. Clear? If we find the product of two prime numbers, that will also give you 6. So, LCM of two prime number is equal to their product. This is a true statement. Clear? Next. Number 4, LCM of two co-prime number is equal to the product. This is also true. LCM of two co-prime number is also equal to their product. Two co-prime number, suppose co-prime number 13 and another co-prime number 11. This is 13, 11 are two co-prime numbers. Clear? So the product will be equals to 143. Product is 143. If we do LCM of 13 and 11, this will also, LCM will be also 143. So LCM of two co-prime number is equal to their product. These are true statement. Clear? Actually, all prime numbers are co-prime numbers. Actually, all prime numbers are co-prime numbers. Clear? Next question number 4. Product of two number is 12096. HCF is 36. Find LCM. Clear? Product, question number 4. Product equals to 12096. HCF given as 36. So we have to find out the LCM. Clear? Now LCM equals to is formula product divided by HCF, that is product given as 12096 and HCF 36. We have to just divide to find out the LCM. So 2 18s are 36, 2 6 0 4 8, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, so answer will be 336. Clear? Question number 4 complete. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. Product of HCF and LCM of two number is 1152. One number is 48. Find the other number. Product of HCF and LCM is 1152. So product of HCF and LCM equals to 1152 and one number is 48. We have to find out the other number. Clear? So there is a formula, other number equals to product of, or you can write just HCF into LCM. This is product of HCF and LCM and one number. Clear? So HCF, product of HCF and LCM given as 1152. Other number is, one number is 48. Now just divide. 224, 2 5s are 10, 1 5, 6, 24, 24. So your answer will be 24. Next question number 6. Smallest number completely divisible by 28, 42. Smallest number completely divisible by 28 and 42. We have to find out the smallest number. So as this is a smallest number, we have to find out the smallest number. So LCM of these two numbers will be your answer. As these are smallest number, so LCM of 28 and 42 will be your answer. Clear? So we have to find out this question number 6, LCM of 28 and 42. Clear? Now clear? So LCM 2 into 7 into 2 into 3, 84. So this is your answer. 2 7s are 14, 28 and 3, 84. So your the smallest number, required smallest number equals to 84. This is your answer. Next question, largest number. If it is given largest number, then we have to find out the HCF of 28 and 42. We have to find out the HCF of 28 and 42. That will be your answer. So question number 2, if it is largest number, if we have to find out largest number, we will find out HCF, that is 2, 14, 21, 7, 14. So HCF, your HCF will be 2 into 7, that is 14. So this is will be your answer. Therefore largest number will be 14. So if smallest number, the answer will be 84, that is we have to find out LCM, and if it asks for largest number, we have to find out the HCF. Clear? So this is question number 6. Now the last question, question number 7. Question number 7. Find the LCM of 140 and 168 using LCM obtained. Find the HCF of the two numbers. So we have to first find out the LCM of 140 and 168. Let's do it. 140 and 168. Find out the LCM of these two numbers. 270, 235, 7 5 35, 7 6 are 40. So your LCM will be 2 into 2 into 7 into 5 into 6. This is the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, 28 and 5s are 140, I guess. Yes, it's 140, and 6, it's 840. So LCM is 840. Clear? Now using LCM obtained, find the HCF of the two numbers. So you have to find out the HCF using this LCM. Clear? So there is a formula of finding HCF. HCF equal to product of two numbers divided by LCM. So product of two numbers, that is product of two numbers divided by LCM. So product of two numbers is 140 into 168. This is 6, and LCM is 840. So we will cancel the zeros. 7 2s are 14, 12, 3, and it comes to 28. So HCF is 20. This 28 will be your answer. Clear? So this is all about your revision exercise. In the next session we will do other sums. Thank you.